Practice at 4.2, problem number 7, given on page number 93, to write the tax invoice for business to business transaction. Okay, it is given that pencil boxes 100 are sold, HSN is so and so, HSN is the number of that article. Okay, rate is 20, GST 12%, jigsaw puzzles 50, HSN so and so, rate is 100, rate of GST is 12%, and we have to write the tax invoice. So we are starting with the heading tax invoice for B2B transaction. Okay, name of the supplier, some name we have to give, name, address with pin code, and state also. So that is mentioned in the problem. Then recipient, some businessman, because it is a B2B transaction. So another businessman, okay, Ajini Nagpur so and so, and state also written. Now, in what is the change in the B2C transaction? There is only one businessman and the other one is a consumer. But here both are businessmen, and both businessmen have their own GST. So this is the GST of the supplier, this is the GST of the recipient. Okay, so both GST you have to write. I mean, you have to write supplier, he is a GSTN, recipient, he is a GSTN, rest is same. Invoice number, some invoice number you write, okay, GST/786. Invoice date 15th of Feb 2019, some GST you write there also, sorry, some invoice date you write. Okay, so what is exceptional or what extra you have done? The name of the recipient and his GST you have written. Rest is very simple. Now we are going to change the data here. Okay, HSN, given HSN we will write is 3924. Here pencil box, let us write pencil box. Rate is rupees 20. Quantity, it is given 100 boxes. So total will be 100 into 20, that is rupees 2000. Okay, let us complete this side also. Second, HSN is 9503. Here there are jigsaw puzzles, write jigsaw puzzles. Okay, rate is given to you, rate is rupees 100, quantity sold is 50, so 50 into 100 will come out to be 5000 rupees. Now here onwards, certain things will change. Now GST in both places is 12%, so 6% will be CGST, 6% will be SGST for both the products, both the items. Okay, 6% of what? 6% of taxable value, correct? So taxable value is 2000 rupees. इसका 6% calculate करेंगे तो 120 rupees will be 120. Here also 120. This will be the CGST and SGST, because if you calculate 6% of this, it comes out to be 120 rupees. So CGST 120, SGST 120. Now let us write the total value. 2000 रुपए taxable value, 120 और 120 यानी 240. So total amount will be, the total will be 2240 रुपए, 2240 rupees. Let us complete the transaction, the writing part for the second article also. Taxable value is 5000 rupees. 6% of that, if you calculate, it comes out to be 300 rupees. I hope everybody will be able to calculate 6%. If not, do the rough calculations and then write. It can be done orally also. Okay, so 6% of 5000, that comes out to be 300 rupees. Here also, for CGST, again 300 rupees. 300 SGST, 300 CGST, that means total GST will be 600 and taxable value is 5000. So the net price will be 5600. 5600 rupees. And then calculate total CGST 300 plus 120, so this is 420 Here also this will be 420, and let us calculate the total bill. 0487 7,840. So the calculations in this tax invoice is same whether it is B2C transaction or B2B transaction. Only the top information will change. If it is B2C, only GST for the supplier will be written. If it is B2B, GST of supplier as well as GST of recipient will be written. For what purpose? This topic can be discussed for hours. While collecting the GST in which he has submitted, he has to provide his GSTN number, the seller, the buyer. So lots of things are there involved, but we should memorize only this much, that for B2B transaction you have to write GSTN of supplier as well as recipient as well as their names also. Rest of the information is same. Problems are easy to write, okay, but somehow non-mathematical problems you can say.